All right, so let's solve for this question. Okay, so we have b cube plus b equals 30. All right, now before we proceed, let's understand the difference of cubes. Now when we're given x cube minus y cube, the same as x minus y. Okay, and we have x squared plus xy plus y squared. Now this difference of cubes is very powerful too. Okay, so we are going to arrange this one in such a way that we get something cube minus something cube. Now we can write this one as b cube plus b minus 30 equal to 0. Now we know minus 30 can be written as minus 27 minus 3. Minus 27 minus 3. Why are we taking minus 27 minus 3 and not minus 29 minus 1? Now, remember we want to express this one as difference of cubes. We have b cube here, okay? So we want to pick a number that will give us a number multiplying itself 3 times. For instance, if I pick this, it will be 27, okay? So this 27 will be 3 to the power 3. Now if I pick 29, okay, 29 minus 29 minus 1. This 29 here, I won't get any number that will be expressed in this form. Okay, so we are picking 27. Okay, now let's go ahead as we arrange this one. So we have b cube minus, so let me bring the minus 30, sorry. Okay, so I have plus b minus 27 minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, now I want to join this one to this, so I'll make it b cube minus 27, okay, and I have plus b minus 3 equal to 0. So remember this side is same as b cube minus, so we have 3 to the power 3 plus b minus 3. So we now express our difference of cubes here, b cube minus 3 cube. So we have b minus 3, so we have b squared plus 3b plus 3 squared 9. Okay, so plus b minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, now remember we have something in common here. Okay, b minus 3, b minus 3, so I can say b minus 3, okay, so I will have with b squared plus 3b plus 9 plus, so this side will be 1. Okay, now in going back, this one will multiply that to get this, and it will multiply the 1 here, so plus that equal to 0. All right, now we have b minus 3 equal to 0, therefore b is 3. So the first answer for the question is 3. Okay, so we are to look for the other solutions. Okay, so we have b squared plus 3b plus 9 plus 1. So we have b squared plus 3b. So 9 plus 1 will be plus 10 equal to 0. Okay. So we have this one. Let's compare this one with the quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to. So a is 1, b is 3, and c is 10. Okay. So we have 1, 3, 10. Now we are using minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac to a. Okay. So we have 1, 3, 10. So we have that. So let's do the substitution. X, so minus b minus 3 plus or minus 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times c on 2 times 1. So minus 3 plus or minus 3 squared here will be 9 minus 40 on 2. Okay, so we have x minus 3 plus or minus. Now 9 minus 40 will be minus 31. So we have minus 31 on 2. Minus 31 on 2. Okay. So we have x equals minus 3 plus or minus. Now we can write this one as square root of 31 times square root of minus 1 on 2. Now from complex numbers, square root of minus 1 is the same as I. So we have x equals to minus 3 plus or minus. So we have square root of 31 I on 2. So it means that x minus 3 plus square root of 31 I on 2, or x minus 3 minus square root of 31 I on 2. So these answers are complex. Okay, so we now stick to b equals to 3. Okay, so if b equals to 3, now let's verify. So let's verify. So we have b cube plus b, okay, equals 30. Equals 30. And b is 3. Now let's plug in 3 here. So we have 3 cube plus 3. 3 cube is 27 plus 3 is 30. So we have 30 here. Alright, so that's that. So if this video is very important to you, please just subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. Alright, thanks for watching.